Hi there, today in this session I will discuss about Python data types. Python supports various data types used to define the type of data a variable can store. It represents the kind of a variable that tells what operations can be performed on a particular data. If it is integer, you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, where if it is string, you can do the concatenation. Since everything is an object in Python, data types are actually classes and variables are instances of those classes. In technical words, you can understand this. I will thoroughly talk about objects and classes in my upcoming session. Here 36 is the value to the variable num is being assigned. So the data type of this num is an integer class. When we broadly discuss about the types of data type, then we have numeric, dictionary, Boolean, set, sequence type, where numeric is further divided into further categories like integer, float and complex, and the sequence is string, list and tuple. This is a wider range that numeric hold the numeric and decimal values, where string holds the sequence of characters like name, message and address. Sequence holds the collection of items like the name of the projects, the number of the employees and the objects of the employees. Dictionary holds the key value pair. In the other hand, Boolean stores the true or false to make the decision handling little strong. And set also holds the unique collection of items. Let me discuss about some of the real-time usage and how do we use or how do we implement the data types in the Python in action. If I talk about numeric data type, let's say I talk about integer, I will say value 1, that is 100, and this is integer. I say value 2, that is 5.9, and if I say value 3, that is 5 plus 3j, where a and b are the floats and j is the imaginary part. You can also check the type. If I talk about print value 1, that's okay, it will print the value. If I check its type, this output will be class. As I discussed, everything is class in Python. This will print the integer. Let me show you. Alt, Control and N. So you can see that this is 100. By mistake I just typed this print twice. I'll just change it and print the type. So this is class integer. If I will print value 2, it is float, and if I print value 3, it is complex. So you can see that it's their type. Similarly, if you talk about the text type, you simply say name equals to John and it is string. This is the text type. Similarly, if you will say a little longer name, let's say greeting, hello, this is also string. You can print the name type and this will tell you that it is of type str. Similarly, if you have any list or a sequence type, in the sequence type we have a list, and when we declare a list, we order a mutable and allow duplicates with the help of the square bracket, and the moment I print this, it tells you that is a list type. You can just have a look. Similarly, if you talk about other types, just come forward and it tells you that we also have tuple in the sequence, in which we put a round bracket, ordered, immutable, that is unchangeable, and allow the duplicates, and just print, it will print the tuple. We do have the range. Range is a sequence of numbers often used in loops with the round brackets. So it represents the number from 0 to 4, and when I print this, it is printing the type, that is a number. I can simply run and show you that it is a list, tuple and range. Similarly, you can talk about the mapping type. In the mapping type, let's say I create my dictionary. Rather than my dictionary, I create a person where the name is John and age is 25. I print this and it says that it is a dictionary type, right? Next forward, if I talk about other data types, we also have set types. Set is a unique, unordered, mutable type that used curly braces to define or declaration. That is a set type. Just run and verify. This last one is a set type. So these are the DTs that you can use. Boolean we have already discussed, that if it is a student and the type of this is a bool. So there is an endless other types, like we have a memory view, we have byte array, we have none type. So each of these data types plays a critical role in handling different type of data, making Python versatile for various programming tasks. We're going to use these types and their further extents in my upcoming session. I hope you will enjoy this series. I would like to answer one query here. You might be wondering that how this code is getting generated. Being a beginner, I do not suggest you to use this shortcut, but I am using a Git Copilot to generate this code or this particular programming. You can write this statement for your ease and you can do practice, and later once you are comfortable you can also use any generative AI or the extensions in your Visual Studio Code. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video.